People usually take things for granted when it comes to government and government-related institutions. The Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, which was fed up by this lax attitude of people, has decided to crack whip. In one of its recently held meetings, the BBMP has decided to take account of its assets, revalue it, renew its lease agreements according to market guidance value, and take punitive measures against those who have sold its properties using fake deeds. Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya, and I welcome you to today's episode of Property Matters. BBMP has leased out its properties for the benefit of the society, but they are being misused by many for commercial gains. And the BBMP now has decided to send notices and initiate punitive measures against such offenders.
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕಳಕಳಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಶಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಹಾಲ್ ತೆರೆಯೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸದುದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರು ಆ ಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ನ ವೈಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಭೆ ಸೇರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂಥದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ವೈಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಮ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
Many important decisions were taken by the BBMP, and what exactly are those? Let's find out. BBMP will digitalize all its property records, and a strong room will be created for this very purpose. A special officer or a legal custodian will be appointed to maintain records. BBMP will revalue and take possession of properties belonging to it. Complaints will be registered in cases where BBMP properties have been sold using bogus khatas. All BBMP properties will be registered at concerned sub-registrar offices. BBMP will obtain PID numbers for all its properties. It will renew expired lease agreements and fix the lease amount in accordance with the market guidance value. BBMP will make a list of properties that have been handed over to it by BDA and the state government. BBMP will revamp its estates department, and DCs will be given additional responsibilities of handling estates.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ತಿಗಳ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಮಂಡನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು ಇವತ್ತುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವೇಯರ್ಸು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ತೆರಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಸ್ತಿಯ ಒಂದು ವಿವರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆನಾ, ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದೆನಾ, ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಮೇತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತಂದುಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶ ನೀಡಿದೆ.
Rupees 20 crore has been earmarked to fence properties belonging to the BBMP and to put up boards that specify that the property belongs to it. BBMP has a total of 7,906 properties across Bengaluru, out of which 324 properties have been leased out, and the lease agreements of many of them have already expired. With this exercise, the BBMP would be able to analyze any discrepancy in the total number of its properties, number of properties that have been leased out, and the measures that have been taken to safeguard them. Like any other municipality across the country, the BBMP too has to augment its revenue to safeguard its citizens during COVID. In an effort towards the same, the BBMP has audited its assets and has come up with a foolproof plan to maximize its returns. So did you find the video useful? Do share your views in the comment section below and subscribe to MBTV for more such videos concerning policy matters. Also, follow me on Twitter. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off with camera person Pragat.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and click the bell icon to get new videos.